India tells social media firms to remove India variant from content. India government has instructed social media companies to remove any content that refers to India variant of COVID-19. The IT minister has said the World Health Organization listed the variant B as B.1.617 and any reference to India was false. Geographical terms have been used to describe a number of other variants including the UK and Brazil. India government has faced criticism over its handling of COVID-19. It also drew anger last month after it ordered Twitter to remove posts critical of some of its actions during the pandemic. The country has been hit hard by the new variant since late March and is now second only to the US in terms of overall infections at more than 26 million according to Johns Hopkins University research. COVID related deaths are close to 3 lakh behind only the US and Brazil, although some experts believe India's fatalities could be considered higher. False statement. The instruction to social media companies was carried in government order from Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology on Friday. The note was not made public but was obtained by news agencies. Platforms were asked to remove all the content that names refers to implies Indian variant of coronavirus from your platform immediately. The Press Trust of India reported. It has come to our knowledge that a false statement is being circulated online which implies that an Indian variant of coronavirus is spreading across the countries. This is completely false. AFP news agency quoted the same letter as saying. The note says that the WHO has not associated the term Indian variant with B.1.617 variant of the coronavirus in any of its reports. One social media executive told Reuters it would be extremely difficult to take down all reference to Indian variant. B.1.617, a more transmissible variant, was first detected in India last year and has spread to dozens of countries. A number of nations have severely restricted arrivals from India. India is a massive market for social media companies. Statistics from January show its Twitter third largest. India's government this year introduced guidelines it said were intended to curb misuse of social media and spread of misinformation. If what is termed unlawful material appears on platform, the company can be given a takedown order. If it does not comply within a deadline, it can face the possibility of prosecution. The rules in essence means companies cannot evade responsibility for what users post. Questions have arisen over whether these guidelines promote more censorship and undermine freedom of speech. There has certainly been concern within the media that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has been behind persistent attacks on the freedom of the press. Last month, the government told Twitter and Facebook to remove some posts critical of Mr. Modi's handling of COVID-19. On Friday, it criticized Twitter for labeling some tweets by Indian politicians manipulated media, which the platform uses referring to possible fabrications and deceptions. Thank you.